Hi, I'm Paul Stradowski, president of the consulting firm HR Partners. I'd like to introduce our other panelist, Mr. John J. Sarno, Esquire, president of the Employers Association of New Jersey. I've worked with the Employers Association for over 20 years, providing compensation and performance management services to their members. Today's webinar topic is what you need to know about the new New Jersey Equal Pay Act. The New Jersey Equal Pay Act is now in effect and will significantly affect your company. The law is broader than many other state and federal laws as it applies to all New Jersey public and private employers, regardless of size. Comparison of wage rates shall be based on wage rates in all of an employee's operations or facilities. The new New Jersey Equal Pay Law covers not only wage discrimination on the basis of sex, but also protects other traits, including race, creed, color, national origin, nationality, ancestry, age, marital status, civil union status, domestic partnership status, affectional or sexual orientation, genetic information, pregnancy, gender identity or expression, disability or atypical, heredity, cellular or blood trait of any individual, or liability for military service and mental or physical disability, perceived disability, and AIDS and HIV status. Whew, what a list. This essentially means that every single employee is covered by equal pay protections. Any employee who feels that he or she has been discriminated against may file a complaint with the New Jersey Division on Civil Rights within the Department of Law and Public Safety, or file a lawsuit directly with the New Jersey State Superior Court. The law allows for monetary damages for up to 6 years from the first discriminatory pay period. The court can require your employer to pay triple damages if found guilty. These high monetary damages may motivate a greater number of employees to file complaints than under the federal Equal Pay Act. The new law is much broader than the federal Equal Pay Act and puts a greater burden of proof on the employer to explain differences in wages. In the event that an employee brings a lawsuit against an employer, the employee would only have to show that they performed similar work and worked in similar working conditions, but were paid less. It is up to the employer to prove they have not violated the law. The law requires equal pay for similar work. The law does allow individual pay differentials based on job qualifications, education, and experience requirements for the job. An employer may pay a different rate of compensation only if the employer demonstrates that the differential is made pursuant to a seniority system, a merit system, or the employer demonstrates, 1, that the differential is based on one or more legitimate bona fide factors other than the characteristics of members of the protected class, such as training, education, or experience, or the quantity or quality of production. 2, that the factors are not based on and do not perpetuate a differential in compensation based on any other characteristic of members of a protected class. 3, that each of the factors is applied reasonably. 4, that one or more of the factors account for the entire wage differential. And 5, that the factors are job-related with respect to a legitimate business necessity. A factor based on business necessity shall not apply if it is demonstrated that there are alternative business practices that would serve the same business purpose without producing the wage differential. The Act prohibits the employer from taking any reprisals against any employee for discussing with or disclosing to any other employee or former employee information regarding the employee's job title, occupational category, and rate of compensation, including benefits. This section will definitely encourage your employees to ask about their compensation compared to the compensation of other employees. If you have any specific questions about the equal pay law or would like to discuss how to limit your company's liability under the law, please call me at 908-763-5699. Thanks.